Good afternoon, everybody. We are here. We're ready to go. We're looking good. We got pollen coming out tomorrow. Apparently, is what the weather is telling me here. Pollen tomorrow means that it's not going to be a good day for me. We got Dark Bro, F-I-R-S. Nope, didn't even say it. First in the chat. What's going on, Dark Bro? Ryan. Dark Bro, Gorilla, Dark Bro. Dab. What's going on, Dab? We got Gary Gnu, a.k.a. G-Money, a.k.a. Xmas. What's going on, Gary? We got Alien Head Intelligence, Gary, Dark Bro, Gary, all of you guys. So glad to have you in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what's happening so far today. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen. Where did it finish? It finished up 5.70% today. $5.19 at the close, $5.18 after hours. GameStop, $29.09, up 14% on the day today. Very nice there. Shiba Inu coin, $21.34, down 1% of the day today. Bitcoin, down 1% of the day today. Overall market, up. NASDAQ ended up 0.34%. Nice sell-off into the close, though. Dogecoin, 14.1 cents. Down about 1% of the day today. SHIB down. Ethereum down about 1% of the day today. 34.76 for Ethereum. Man, oh man, we want some gains. Ethereum, come on, go higher. SPY sitting at 542. QQQ, 476. Mullinato, 267. Mullinato jumping around there, but I wouldn't touch it with a 59.5-foot pole. What is the Grinch? How far is the Grinch's pole? Netflix sitting at 653, MPW 482, Tesla 182, Amazon 183, and Apple 214. And just an update on that position, I shaved and then I got back in to some of those top G, some of those Andrew Tate tokens. So I did take some profit. It just, dude, guys, when it becomes so much that you're kind of worried about whether or not it's going up or down, you got to take the profit. So I did that this afternoon. Shaved a lot of the positions there. Entered a couple more of the Tate tokens, right? And so essentially, shaved the total dollar amount there and went into a couple additional, diversified it a little bit more. So some of them go up, excellent. If some of them are going down and the other ones are going up, kind of offsets each other. It ended up being, man, and it's a lot of money. But I ended up getting out probably 15 to 16% lower total than the peak that I saw. So a couple of them, I was in two of them, and total between when I exited them was about 16% from the absolute total peak that I saw. Re-entered a little bit lower than where I got out of, but with less this time. I did not enter as heavy. So hopefully they get a little bit of a bounce here. That top G token is actually doing better. So I exited that one and I got back in that one at 0.08. I'm already up 20% on that. It's at 0.01. So hopefully can ride that higher. Genie's another one that I entered at 0.08. It's also at 0.01. Bro, I gotta show you guys Bro. I bought Bro just because I don't know if they're going to rug this one or not. If this one has anything to do with, obviously it has everything to do with Andrew Tate. But clearly, when I see Bro, the ticker Bro, trending on the top of the screen, you gotta look at it. So Bro here, this is a much smaller one than the other ones. This liquidity pool is almost tiny compared to the other ones that have like $1 million in the liquidity pool. So I didn't enter nearly as heavily in Bro here. But this one, you got to look at it on the 5-minute chart since it's basically brand new. This one running up nicely. 0.08 entry here as it began to fall down. Kind of got a nice ascending trend line going since it's kind of made a name for itself. Moving there. I actually had horizontal support when I bought in. I had horizontal support down here, came down and tested it, started to bounce off, so I got in, came down and tested it again, waffling back and forth between break even. But I jumped in on this one at 0.08, and it's actually doing pretty well right now. Didn't jump in as heavy as the other ones, but dude, the ticker symbol is Bro, so what am I going to do? You get the Tate brothers on this one, and very cool, seemingly a trend in this area. Sending top G 40% of the supply. Now, that's what they did with Daddy, right? And he's going to be burning Daddy. Theoretically, says he's going to be burning Daddy. But you can check it out here. You go to the holders, and number one holder on Bro holds 40%, and it is Tate's wallet. So you can come out here. This is his wallet. I don't know why some of the tokens don't show up in there. That Daddy token doesn't show up in there, but you can see the Daddy also owns 40%, or this wallet also owns 40% of the supply there. So, yep. Coming back out, these guys have sent. So I know that 40% of the entire supply is essentially never going to be dumped either, because that dude's not going to go out there and sell it. Most likely going to burn it, but he probably won't even recognize it's in his wallet until it's several $1 million, and then he might talk about it, man. And honestly, if that idiot just says, hey, Bro sent me this, yeah, it's probably going to go much, much higher. A lot of these tokens kind of stall out when they get to $1 million to $2 million in the liquidity pool. Dude, if Bro runs up to $1 million to $2 million in the liquidity pool, game over. Right? Game over. It's going to be crazy. It'll probably be at $100 million market cap, just to let you guys know. So, doing pretty well. I may trade it. I may just hold it. This is one at the current level that I really don't care if it goes up or down. But, dude, Genie, RNT, Daddy, Bro. This dude right now is, not Mother. That's the one he doesn't like. This dude right now is literally taking the top of the Dex Tools trending tokens, right? So, I don't know, man. Pay attention to those tokens. Get in them. Pirate is ripping. Let's check it out, JB. Get into those tokens if you guys want to, I guess, have some fun. But just, oh my gosh, it is, dude. What I'm talking about. I'm having some fun with them right now. I was a little too heavy in them earlier today, so I did shave. Like I said, I wish I would have hit the peak, man. I didn't hit the peak, but it's all right. What are you gonna do? Making money is making money, man. The beautiful thing about it, right? Andrew Tate's trending this week. Okay, his tokens are doing great this week. They could all go back down to zero next week, and he could call all of us crypto bros a bunch of losers, and who cares? He walked away with an extra 1,000 members to his real world university, and they're paying him $50 a month, and he's making an additional 50 grand a month. Right, he's a win-win there. He had his 1 week of fame, 2 weeks of fame, whatever it is, made a bunch of money. But we can do it too, right? There's going to be a lot of rugs out there. There's going to be a lot of fake ones. But, dude, ride the stinking wave, man. I don't know. You know, it's cats 1 week. It's dogs another week. Frogs another week. Influencers this week. It's crazy, man. Ride the wave and make some money. Eric Silva. If you want my, I guess, more drawn out thoughts on Dogeverse, go watch the beginning of the previous live stream. I talked about it for like 10 minutes at the beginning of that live stream, but it's very, very similar to what happened with Dogecoin 20. Okay, I don't know if that's going to happen with Dogeverse, but a lot of people buy in, and then immediately when it doesn't shoot up 100x, they start to cry, they panic sell, and they move on. I do think that Dogeverse could do a lot better job marketing or kind of easing the concerns of people if that's kind of the, I guess, emphasis they put on all of their X posts. People want to see listings. People want to see catalysts. People want to see movement. So, you know, everybody's got their own agenda. Everybody's got their own kind of roadmap laid out and what they want to focus on. I think these pre-sales could do a little bit better. A little bit better of a job at doing that. But, dude, Dogecoin 20 fell like 80%, 90% or something stupid, and then ripped up 7x. So, don't count Dogeverse out just because it's down. Make me rich now, Kendall. Dude, I'll say this, right? If you want to get rich, you've got to take a chance, okay? If you want to make some money, you can take less of a chance. So, it all depends on your definitions and all of that good stuff. But, yeah, man, hopefully we do see some gains across the board. And looking over here on this screen, I can see the Tate tokens. Pirate is one that I probably should have bought into a few hours ago. Doubled my money on there. JB, I don't know if you're in Pirate, but it's doing very, very good. Pirate Nation up 123% of the day today. 30 cents per token or per coin right now. $82 million market cap. Dude, rip it, especially if you're in it. Coming back out to these tokens right here. Genie, man, we were just talking about it. Got in at 008. Unfortunately, it just fell back down to 009. It was at 014 a couple of minutes ago. I'll show you just how important these levels of resistance are for people. It is crazy, man. 0084 now, selling off, right? So this is where I bought in this area right here on this support, and it held up as support. My level of resistance on my other Chrome tab is right here. Okay, all morning long, tested it, couldn't break, came down, tested it, couldn't break, came down, tested it. Dude, when it broke this level, it ripped higher. You're talking doubling in a matter of 5 minutes. So I thought that it was going to be able to do it again. I thought that it was going to be able to come out there and double off of this level, break through, and come up and test its next level of resistance at this area right here, doubling in price. Didn't do it. Unfortunately, got rejected because these people, they're looking at these lines as well. And they're simply saying, dude, it's hitting resistance, I'm going to sell. They don't create the resistance. The resistance in their mind causes them to sell, creating the resistance here. It's like a chicken and the egg, man. You never know what comes first. So these guys view this resistance line and they're selling. Right now, they're viewing this support line and they are buying. Look, there is a chance, yes, that it breaks down through this level and begins to come down here to 004. That is a possibility. And it sucks that it lost 50% from these levels right here to come back down to 008. But very likely that it's going to break back up and gain 50% to reach back up to these levels at 012, 013, as it has been doing that all day long today. Be careful of a breakout, because when it breaks, it could break out very, very quickly and run nicely higher. So Genie getting a ton of volume today, $53 million in volume, $500,000 in the liquidity pool. A lot of these tokens like to go to about $1 million to $2 million in the liquidity pool, and then move higher or lower from there. And then this one's kind of fun here. 0136, also in at 008 here, but a much smaller market cap. Therefore, it could go higher as well. Take a look at MAGA. Might be a good time to get back in soon. All right, MAGA. Are we back down below 2 cents? I know I got it up over here, but I can't scroll down. So, yeah, 02 cents. 2 cents on MAGA right here. And you are right. Could be a good time to get back in, but we got to look at the daily or the hourly. Nah, let's look at the daily. Let's look at the hourly. Yeah, this could be a good time to get back in. Could be a very nerve-wracking time. So come down here, dude. If you would have put the support line right here, you are at the bottom. Okay. Boom, boom, double bottom, ripped off. Boom, boom, double bottom. Is it going to rip off? If it does, you're absolutely right, man. This could be a perfect entry on MAGA on Solana here. Now, volume is nowhere near the Tate tokens today, but yeah, dude, this is like a quadruple bottom if this one holds up. It could be an excellent opportunity to just hit the next resistance level and make about 50%. 50% gain is crazy, man. So, but you do notice a very, very strong descending trend line that has to be broken as well. So all of these lower highs being hit here, kind of taking you not to this level, but to the more modest lower highs that were hit, back down to here. So hitting it all the way down. So you might wedge down into this area. And dude, this is exactly what Super Trump was doing, or Super T. Strump out there was wedging. when it broke that wedge, man, it provided me with the best trade that I've ever had before in a single day. Just ripped up after breaking out of that wedge. So, yes, if it falls down, Dark Bro, it could be in a very bad position, as the only time it's ever been lower is the first 2 hours of launch. But seems to be trying to post a green line on the screen at that 2-cent flat level. So, we'll see how that plays out there. Genie already bouncing off that level. Guys, if you don't believe that these people use this technical analysis, it's like the one guy that came in here and said that technical analysis is fake news. I mean, they've been trading this stupid channel all day long, right? Maybe I should have traded this peak here, but I was hoping for a break. If I would have traded that peak right there, I could have got back in either with 50% more tokens or 50% cheaper price point. So pay attention to these levels, man. If it bounces, it should continue bouncing off and test this 13 again. So it's not like you can't get in right now. But I would love to see a beautiful break higher, and then I would love to see a break of the 1-3, testing 1-2, and moving up to a $20-30 million market cap there. Only time will tell, ladies and gentlemen. Only time will tell. Kenneth, what's going on, Kenneth? Jazz up, everybody. Thank you very much for that super chat. And listen to Kenneth, right? Jazz up, guys. Jazz up. And I will say this, right? Some of those tokens that I exited, I would have been much better off simply holding until now, okay? I was holding 2 of the Tate tokens earlier, and I exited a little lower than the current price. But I do feel a lot better right now. And I want you guys to learn from that, because the amount that I had earlier was a very large amount. So if it would have gone up further, it would have been excellent. But every time it ticked down, it was not excellent. So when you do start to allow the emotion to creep in on the red candles and green candles, you've got too much in. So shave a little bit, let it ride now. Let's see what happens with it. And yeah, you would have been better off, dude. But now, at least I'm comfortable. And I don't have to worry about getting any more gray hair on the side of my head. Let's see. Crow with Knife has centralized exchange fundraising going on. Top tier listing coming soon-ish. Sammy, very nice. Hopefully Crow with Knife goes up. 7 zeros and a 6 is where they were at earlier, but they are at a very strong level of support. We pulled them up in the previous live stream, looking good. Dogeverse was a complete bust. As of right now, yes, Dogeverse was a complete bust. But same thing with Dogecoin 20, man. Dogecoin 20 was a complete bust until it 7x'd after bottoming out there. Let's see. Gary says, don't pre-says, better is to wait for the run on quick profits, then jump in. I essentially paid double what it sits at. Yeah, no, Gary, it's true, right? It's true. You can wait until after the pre-sale launches, and then try to take advantage of the launch day volatility. But if you get in during the pre-sale, man, I've only lost on one pre-sale, and I've lost on Dogecoin 20, and that was because I panic sold, the same as Dogeverse is doing right now, okay? Dogeverse, 2 days ago, I think it was, Wednesday, whatever, I think it was Wednesday. No. Maybe a different day. I forget what day. But it was at 0004, man. It was back up again. There's been at least 2 opportunities that have lasted about almost an entire day to make a lot of money, more than double. So there's been plenty of opportunity. Stephanie B. Oi, bro. How are you doing? Stephanie, I am doing amazing. How are you doing today, Stephanie? Are you feeling okay? Eu não comi muito hoje. Eu não comi muito. Então, eu estou com muita fome. Mas, eu tô ok. Eu estou trabalhando muito. Let's see here. E você? I'm doing sick. Guys, Stephanie's sick out there. Stephanie needs to feel better. Everybody make sure you tell Stephanie that she needs to feel better. Dino Call of Duty Warzone. I actually have no news on Shiba Inu coin right now in terms of burns or anything, but Shiba Inu coin getting a very nice article written about it in Forbes. So Shiba Inu coin is definitely one of the most highly recognized meme coins that's out there, and hopefully they continue to stay recognized and bounce up as the overall market begins to rebound. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, a lot has been hit over the last couple of days. And Genie, all right, guys, Genie testing this level right here. If you just move if you move it down to the bottom of the wicks, that's exactly where Genie is testing right now. This could be an excellent buy-in off of this support line, even better than the one that we just had on there a couple of seconds ago. But pretty annoying now to see it down at 0.07 after it was just at 0.13. A 50% decline in the last half hour. That's how much these tokens move, guys. 50% decline in the last half hour. So keep your eyes on that. Definitely volatile, definitely moving around there, and hopefully bounces back up very quickly. Kenneth, thank you very much for the super chat. Kenneth says, feel better, Stephanie. Feel better. Yes, Kenneth, man, thank you very much for that. I also hope that Stephanie feels better. Moji, 31 months, bro. I love it, Moji. Honorarium Paul chain launching soon. Going to be a 10xer at least. Get it while it's affordable. By the way, a DMG on Discord, Clay, give us an honorarium. Thank you very much, Moji, for the super chat, or for the member chat there. Appreciate that. And yes, dude, I do hope that Honorarium does do a 10x, because I still own every Honorarium that I ever purchased. So I'd be very excited if Honorarium 10x, man. We need to go, what, 100x before we start selling our Honorarium? You guys can reach 0.05. What are we talking about? Share? Or are we talking about a different token? Eu sei, bro. Eu sei. Mas eu tenho problema. Eu trabalho muito. Tenho problema. Congratulations, brother. Heck, J-Bones, where you been, J-Bones? Glad you're in here, man. WTF, yes. Where's your new cat? The new cat is downstairs right now. The new cat is downstairs. Not in here. The new cat is trying to stay safe from the old cat. We don't want the old cat attacking the new cat. Jeffrey says, Mary, Mystery on Crow. Is the next community token to be listed after Crow with Knife on CDC? They just created their game, Spectral Byte, memes on Chronos, Mystery Labs, NFTs, DApps in the works. Look into it. All right, Jeffrey, absolutely, man. How do we grab Honorarium, Paul, now? Or are you saying buy Honorarium on BNB while it's cheap? I think that's what he's saying there. Let's see. I know, bro, but you can have yogurt. Eu comi yogurt hoje. Eu comi yogurt hoje. Só isso, mas eu comi. Buy Honorarium on BNB now. Oh, there's still some left, because after launch... Wish you had bought more, baby. You wish you had bought more. Dark Bro, I don't know if I'm going to wish I bought more or not. I'm actually pretty comfortable with the amount of with the amount of Honorarium that I hold. And, dang, dude, I just looked over here. These Tate tokens are down 30% from where they were a second ago. I got to see what kind of a whale just sold this one. Holy smokes, man. I know that was a massive whale dump there. $51,000. Golly, bomb, dude. Wow, 51,000 and 54,000. Two whale sales, and those are not bots. Followed by 25,000. It's $130,000. Another 25,000. Wow, 130, 150. Dang, dude, 160,000. $160,000 in outflows in 4 transactions there. Golly, bomb, these tokens are insane, man. These tokens are insane. Why we have Umacoin G Fit Boy. Top G. Top G. Porque ele está fazendo muito com criptomoedas agora. E eu acho que podemos ganhar muito dinheiro com essa moeda. Coin G Fitboy, guys. Coin G Fitboy. Yes. Top G has his coin out there. But apparently everybody doesn't know who Top G is. They call him Fitboy. Hey, everybody. Heading home tomorrow. Busy day today. Tim, man, you got everything finalized? You got everything finalized, man? Stephanie, eu espero que sim. Espero que sim. Still Q3 expected. Nice, Dark Bro. Has Brocoin launched? No, but if you're interested... Oh, wow, Bro's actually doing pretty well there. Genie's fallen like Genie's fallen like Aladdin fell when Genie had to come rescue him in Aladdin. All the way down, man. Lost 50 stinking percent from 60 stinking percent from these levels here. And coming back down to potentially test this level way down here now. Broke down through this level of support. Some people selling right there. Pulling it back down. But check out this bro token for the Tate bros right here. This one has launched. My bro token has not launched. This bro token has launched. And it is, where are we at here? 0015. Moving nicely higher right now. This one could cycle in and become the new one that everybody's talking about. $1.5 million market cap here. $146,000 right there. So we will watch that one. And Genie as well. 0014. Genie is sitting at 006, man. Dang, dude. Genie was just at... No, we don't want Solana King. Solo King. Genie was just at 013. Currently sitting at 006. Fire sell on most crypto. Oscar, you are correct on that one, man. Everything's on sale right now. But now's the time to buy. What do you think about Mary? Shrimp! Somebody else just asked about that, so let's take a look at it, man. Did you get reimbursed, Nufo? No, he did not. Did Nufo have a cat? I don't even know. We'll give it to him. Thank you very much, Nufo, for the kitty. I don't know if you gave me that cat or not. I knew I had you on something, but I completely forgot about it until Pudgy reminded me. Pudgy doing his beautiful Pudgy duty. Man, dude, you look at Shiba Inu coin right here. Shiba Inu coin throwing a bunch of purple lines on the screen. Then, of course, you got Bitcoin throwing a couple purple lines on the screen as well, man. And Ethereum, 3472 more purple lines. Purple lines everywhere, guys. Purple line. It's Purple Line Day. We'll call it Purple Line Day. Sign the paperwork tomorrow. It goes into effect March of next year. I'll be in Ireland for St. Patrick's Day. And the question is, do they celebrate St. Patrick's Day in Ireland? I don't know the answer to that. Let's come back down here. I don't think I should buy more. I already own so much. Good news, Gary Gnu. Gary's like, maybe not. Maybe I own too much of that there. Gary's comfortable with the amount he owns. Mary, quite contrary. Gonna go out and buy a Mary. All right, this is the one you guys are talking about with Mary. Man, 0055 on Genie now. Heavy, quick declines there. And wow, even more sell-offs in the one top G token. We were just talking, man, these guys are selling off like crazy right now. I would almost imagine that this idiot is out there doing a live stream telling you to sell off your tokens or something. I'm not sure. Guys are selling off heavy of that. Let's see what we got going on with Mystery or Mary. I forget how long it's been out. All right, so it's been out a while. A lot of people... Did it not get listed on Crypto.com yet? This is typically what coins were doing when they were getting listed on Crypto.com there. So Mary may have already had its run. What you're looking at on Mary, though, crazy descending trend line right now. Nice bull flag pattern currently formed. You guys can see the flag here, right? Moving up nicely, coming down into its wedge. But it's already broken down several times out of these bull flags. So does it break down again? And if it does break down out of that level right there, you know, you might not have support until you get to this level down here. Did not mean to move that one. fact, I meant to move this one. So I would be a little bit careful of Mary if it does not hold up at this current level of support at about, what, 4 zeros and a 2-2 there. It does seem to be posting a green line today, so it might be trying to break back out to the upside, but it looks kind of like the food pyramid out there, and down, 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 testing supports as opposed to testing resistance. So that's the only thing you got to watch out for. Genie, man. Genie, I guess Genie came and went. Genie's down to 0.04 now. That's how fast they fall off, man. That's how fast they fall off. It's a 70% decline in a matter of a half hour. Rozzy, thank you very much for the super chat. Rozzy said, sending positive vibes. Meow, meow, meow. Let's go, Jasmine Coin. Rozzy, man, thank you very much for the super chat. I have not looked at Jasmine in a while. Let's see where Jasmine is at here. Jasmine, ooh, 0.34. All right, Jasmine pulling back down from that 4-cent level of support. And coming back down, curling over at a slower pace, so nothing terribly concerning. But Jasmine coming down to 0.34. Try to attempt the 0.45 level. Currently sitting at 0.34. Hopefully it's able to hold up support there because it did test this level a couple of days ago on June 11th and bounced off of it from there. But testing it down today, man, everything is down. You guys can see that volume is down overall 15%. 24-hour volume is down, is at $75 billion, and it's down 15%. I mean, that's a crazy decline in volume. The overall market cap on every cryptocurrency is down 2.2% today. So it is a very strong down day. And we've had several very strong down days in a row, which is probably why you see Jasmine pulling back as well as a lot of the other main players out there pulling back as well. Even Bro, man, Even Bro going from 0.15 a couple of minutes ago and now testing 0.11. Takes 5 minutes to go from 0.17 back down to 0.11. So we'll watch that one play out. Might be a good time to, let's see, is it a good support level for Genie? Add some more on there and watch it bounce, or is it going to, That's exactly where we put this line, man. So we're going to have to see if this line holds up or what takes place with Genie here. Because if this line is broken, dang, dude, the entire run might be over if this line gets broken. If this line holds up, you can see a very nice rebound back up to the upside, but a very strong half hour of nothing but declines there. Down 50% on the position after being up 50% on the position. Think about that. Literally watched it break through in a matter of minutes on the live stream here. Very, very tough to see, but hopefully this support level holds up and it moves nicely from there, but we'll soon find out. Michael Allen. Mike, man, thank you very much for the super chat. You know what's not down? TKMN. Still got it up on the screen, and he is right. Dang, dude, TKMN on the hourly does look beautiful. Fully diluted value, 296,000. Market cap, tiny little $60,000 market cap. $27,000 in the liquidity pool. $6,000 in 24-hour volume is not bad volume, considering only $27,000 is in the liquidity pool there. So TKMN is up. It is up 8% over the last hour, 100% over the last 24 hours, and 328% over the last 7 days. So Michael Allen is not lying on that one. TKMN is doing beautifully right now and moving higher. Well, basically everything else. Look, red line, red line, red line, red line. Couple green lines, but a lot of red lines in the space right now. And even look at Bitcoin and SHIB, dude. All those purple lines. Look at Ethereum and SHIB. Dude, down 1.5%, down 1% on the day today. Everything throwing some crazy red lines, man. So anybody told Clay, bro, he's having a pretty day. Hair on point, beard on point. Only thing missing is a meow meow. Where the heck is my cat at? I don't know where my cat's at right now. But no, John Jay, nobody told me that, man. Nobody told me that. It's 93 billion. Yes, billion. My lady, have a good amount to have. Imagine if for when it hits all-time highs again. John Jay, I actually don't know what a good amount of Milady is. Let's see. Oh, dang, dude, you would have made 10% on that Genie in the last tick. So people buying up Genie right now. Let's see where Milady is. This one. Yes. This one. This one. All right. Milady. 175. $128 million market cap would double in price, right? To get back up to those all-time high. Triple in price almost. Almost triple in price to get back up to those all-time highs there. So, yes, dude. I don't care how much you have. Anytime you can triple your money, it is a beautiful gain. And this level seems to be holding up at the moment. So, hopefully, all of these traders that dumped off here, hopefully it does rip up and test those levels here because it seems to be bouncing pretty nice off this level of support. 004, already up to 006. You guys would have made 50% just in the last 3 minutes. If you would have bought off that support level right there, you would have made 50% just in the last 3 minutes on it. So keep an eye on Genie. It's been getting a bounce back right now. Shiba 2100 is a good buy. Yeah, John Jay, Shiba Inu coin at 2100 is a very strong level of support that is held up since the March rally. So since the beginning of March, when Shiba Inu coin ripped up to 4,500 points per coin, it has come down, bounced off 21, bounced off 21, bounced off 21. You can see it on the daily chart here. The Shiba Inu coin tested it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Now, Shiba Inu coin could very well, it's back down into that bear flag. I can't believe it, but it is. Shiba Inu coin could very well break back up to the upside and quickly generate a lot of wealth. Or, dude, you want to watch out, man. If Shiba Inu coin breaks down below this level, could be a very, very quick decline back down to 15, 12, and the 1,000 point per coin mark. So keep your eye on SHIB. It's been it's been a stupid 3 weeks here of nothing but red days. And is that the same thing for Ethereum? About the same thing, man. Been pretty much a stupid 3 weeks on Ethereum as well, with nothing but red days. Some sideways action, but nothing but red days on Ethereum. Bitcoin, Bitcoin hasn't been as bad. 2 weeks. 2 weeks of red days, but a lot of stagnation for Bitcoin there. But Shiba Inu coin seems to be getting hit a little bit harder on the daily than Ethereum and Bitcoin and the bigger boys out there. Strike price on crypto.com cleared about 1,500 on it today alone. Tim, man, very, very nice. Is strike price, is that the same as the up and downs on crypto.com, or is that something different? I haven't played the ups and downs on there in a while, but yeah, if you guys want a margin or leverage trade, check out those ups and downs on crypto.com, dude. It moves very, very quickly, and you can make a lot of money or lose a lot of money very fast. Megahead on ETH is up almost 10% right now. Gary, very nice, man. I would buy the Plague before I bought SHIB. The devs are more deadly to SHIB than the Plague was to medieval Europe. Yeah, you're probably right on that, dude. I don't know if I'd buy the Plague, though. I don't know if I'd ever do that. That doesn't seem like something I'm too interested in. Where is Pudgy? Where is Pudgy? Here I am. Here I am. Where is Pudgy? Where is Pudgy? We love you. We love you. John Jay, that's my favorite song as well, man. And I think Pudgy is in here, so we'll find out. Clay, what's your opinion on State of the Dogeverse? I'm holding on to mine, but what do you think about its future? So, Joseph, very similar to what Dogecoin 20 did, right? If people begin to abandon Dogeverse, I think the Dogeverse's price is going to have a very hard go of it. If people kind of, understand that fluctuations in price happen and they're willing to hold, you're going to set up a nice bottom. And then as soon as Dogeverse actually gets a catalyst out there, whether it's progress towards their bridge or centralized exchange listings or whatever, you could catalyze higher. So it's all going to be how people react to what Dogeverse is doing. That really dictates the future of Dogeverse, dude. I don't know what it's going to do, but I think it's shaking out a lot of the nervous investors, man. I think it's shaking out a lot of the nervous investors. Only I'm catching is lake water. There you go, man. Some Biden coins are higher than Trump coins. Yeah, Geo Bowden is one that has a very high market cap. So leverage play. Best I did was $800 in 5 minutes. $800 in 5 minutes makes me a little bit nervous. But then again, man, $800 in 5 minutes is $800 in 5 minutes, man. Let's see. Boiled hot dog water. That is my favorite. Dark Bro is correct on that. Genji. Genji's always here. Always here. Genji. What's going on, Genji? Let's see. What's John smoking? I don't know, man. I don't know. Where's Pika? Pika? Are you out there? The bros want you to come back. If you're out there, Pika, we just ask that you come back. You don't have to be as active. Just knowing that you're in the chat makes it that much better. Pika, are you out there? We want to know. Just sold my Doge. Let's see. Your actual Dogecoin, your Dodge, like you sold your Dodge Avenger. What are we selling here, man? Your Dogeverse? What kind of Doge do we sell? Hey, bro, your Voyager link is a dead link. I would hope it's a dead link. I don't even know where you would have found my Voyager link at. In like a 2-year-old video? I hope wherever you found that Voyager link, I hope that it is a dead link, man. Because Voyager is a dead company. So, Voyager took a lot of my money. Dude, if you just add together how many... like all of the losses along the way, dude, if there wasn't so many honeypots and scams and stupid companies and losses and bad trades out there, I think we all would be millionaires by now, man. My gosh. Was in the shower. Hey, that's where Pudgy was. Where is Pudgy? Where is Pudgy? In the shower, in the shower. All right. Well, now we know, John and Jay. Now we know. Pudgy was in the shower. Glad he's here. We love Pudgy. Yes, we do. We love Pudgy. How about you? Dogecoin. All right, Hunter. Gotcha. Sold Dogecoin down here. It's 14 cents. I thought it was 12 cents, but I was reading Shiba Inu coin backwards. Dogecoin at 14.138 cents. Down 1% of the day today. Dude, I don't know. It's really been sitting sideways for the last several months. So you could free up some money, move that money over into something else if you would like. But selling Dogers, hopefully you bought Dogeverse down when it was 5-6 cents here and it made a nice profit, man. If not, I don't know. Hopefully you cleared your capital up and you can invest it in something else and, of course, make some decent money there. Calibro, it's in your description. Check it out. In the description of this live stream. Well, that's about stupid. Alright. Hopefully that doesn't auto-generate the next time I go live there. And that's the last time you ever see that stupid link. We shall see, though. We shall see. I don't know how that stayed in there that long. I don't want it to stay in there, so hopefully it moves now. I just bought shit with it. Very nice, Hunter. When is Ethereum going to run? Is XRP a dead coin? I don't think that XRP is a dead coin. XRP's got a lot of problems with the SEC. So hopefully SEC drops its issue with XRP. And we see some nice gains in XRP. When is Ethereum going to run? hopefully sooner rather than later, man. I do have some Ethereum, and I would like to see it move higher in price. Timmy, thank you very much for the super chat. Tim says, Pika and Wana sipping drinks on a beach. Dude, could you imagine if Pika and Wana were sipping drinks on a beach right now and they just left us all behind? Oh my gosh. Did you mean together or did you mean separate? Could you imagine Pika and Wana sitting on a beach together, just sipping drinks, leaving us all behind? Dude, I'd be so mad. I'd wonder where my stupid invite was. And of course they wouldn't invite me. It's just ridiculous, man. Dang, dude. These Andrew Tate coins coming back down pretty hard over the last hour. Shaved the position. Very good that I shaved the position. Now that I re-entered, not necessarily very good that I re-entered because a lot of people taking profits. So that's the name of the game, man. You just never know if the prices are going to go up, if the prices are going to go down, or what. So hopefully from here, they do turn back around and move higher. But a lot of them throwing a lot of red lines on the screen and some very large red lines on the screen. We want green. We want green. We want green. We do want green lines, man. I want to see gains for everybody. Join the honorarium Discord below. Absolutely, go check it out, guys. Let's see. Yeah, Windy City beats, but they're not done. They don't have the SEC completely off their back. Actually, lost a couple of cents on Dogecoin. Bought it at $1.34, sold it at $1.11. It's all right, Hunter. It's all right to lose a couple cents, man. Not a problem. I think it'll be okay. Nothing's going to run this year. Try back in the middle of 2025. Jeremiah, actually the middle of 2025 is when you would theoretically have the bull market rally based on the 4-year cycle. The exponential rally, I should say. You know, you test these all-time highs, you see what crypto is really made of, but the exponential rally comes towards the end of 2025 based on that 4-year bull to bear market cycle. So you could be dead on in your timing there, checking back in the middle of 2025 and riding it out through the end of 2025, preparing for the bear market and not buying the dip on that one. Not buying the dip, waiting for retail to exit, waiting for the settling down of all of the prices, and it may take an entire year to get there. But at that point, dude, if you buy the bear market bottom, dude, you can make so much money it wouldn't even be funny at that point. Let's see. Where does he say? So you should have sold. No, I did sell. Yeah, Jeremiah, if that's what you're talking about. I did sell, but I bought back in on a dip. But now the dip kept dipping, or the dip did bounce, right? And I had an opportunity to exit right before I started this live stream. And since I started this live stream, everything has been posting nothing but red lines since this live stream started. So we could blame it on me, right? We could blame all the red lines on the screen on me because, and you can see it here, man. Look, on Genie, for example, the moment that I start the live stream, where we at? In this area right here. 1600. Boom. Okay, a couple minutes before. It knew I was going to come on live. A couple minutes before. A couple red lines. And then nothing but red afterwards. Nothing but down. Testing support lines instead of testing resistance lines. Very bearish sign. Stinks to see nothing but red on the screen. And that's all we've seen since this entire live stream started here. In Shiba Inu coin, Ethereum, any of these Tate coins, everything posting reds right now. Is this trading view? No, Johnny. So you get Weeble in the middle of the screen. The purple and green lines are both on Weeble there. And then the top of the screen is Dex Tools. So Dex Tools is the top of the screen showing you all of the tiny little cryptocurrencies. And then the middle of the screen shows you stocks, larger cryptocurrencies, and so on. That's Weeble. And top of the screen is Dex Tools. It's like blaming whoever the current president is for all of society's woes. What is, man? Blaming me for the red lines on the screen? There's a little bit of a difference, dude. I think that, somebody has a little bit more influence than I do. President of the United States should be the most influential person in the entire world. And me, I'm the second most influential person in the entire world. So I do think that there's just a slight degree of difference between those statements there. But yeah, I get what you're saying. Big hugs, Clay. It'll get better. Jeremiah always does, man. Always does. No issues. I just want to see some green lines on the screen. I had some green lines earlier. I did take advantage of it. The dip kept on dipping, though. Dip kept on dipping. And shouldn't have re-entered, at least as of when I did. So we'll see those bounces, and it'll give me something to look forward to either this evening or into tomorrow, man. Let's see. I don't use TradingView, so whichever one you end up preferring, man, it would be up to you. It's just user preference. Sitting in a pub with some really cool people I've met watching, they vote the dip is Indians selling off before they go to bed. Dude, shouldn't all Indians be in bed by now? Like, if you live in India, I believe it's already the middle of the night or maybe tomorrow. It's probably people in the United States selling off before their 5 p.m. workday closes. Guys, it is 5 p.m. Time for me to get off the live stream and time for the green lines to be posted once again. As you can see, very large green line being posted there. It's in anticipation of me exiting the live stream. Get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout outs. We will be back tonight with more videos. Videos tomorrow, live streams tomorrow. All of that good stuff. Appreciate every single one of you guys for keeping the chat going, keeping the chat awesome, having a lot of fun in here. Thank you for the super chats, thank you for the regular chats, thank you for everything. We got a shout out to Petro, man. See you later, Petro emoji. It's Johnny, it's Joni. I think it's Johnny, but Joni could be. Dark Bro, have a great one. Atomic Elf, see you later, man. Jeremiah, it's Joni. We got Tim, Dark Bro, Hunter, Dark Bro, Jeremiah. Good news. It's not even good news anymore. It's just Gary. Gary New, aka G Money, baby. We got Tim, Gary, Nufo de Bulto, Honorarium de Bulto, Ahoo, Atomic Man, see you later. Dark Bro, see you later. Jeremiah, SD, later to you. Matt's, Moji, Joseph, Joni, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.